Okay, Seb.
Hi guys, welcome to my video.
Anong gagawin natin? Mo? You will paint this? Wow, anong ginawa mo? Anong kulay yan? What color?
Yellow here.
And then, you will put it in on? Be careful, baka lumagpas. You do the coloring. Sunflower? Kasi takbo ng takbo, hinihingal ka tuloy. Hinihingal ka tuloy. Yung color yellow. Yan. Chip. Seb, konti lang ay. Konti lang. Sige ka, mauubos yan. Konti. Konti. Wow. Galing mo naman mag-color, Seb. Konti lang. Konti. Ayan. Okay. Diba? It's enough. Diba?
How about on my nails?
Mamaya i-white natin yan. Konti. Yes, it.
How about this one? Not this one, this one.
Konti lang, sir. Anong color yan, sir?
Color.
Color brown. I thought this, color orange sabi mo. Ay. Oh, pindot lang. Oh! Why color orange? Oh, konti. Ano mo sa bo? I-spread mo. Huwag mo doon. Mawawalan ka na ng coloring yan. Mauubos agad. Oh. Spread mo lang. Spread.
But when this one go out, it will white become.
Bigan. Bigan.
What's this? See?
Ikaw ba si Boy Iyak? Diba we watch yung isang vlogger, Seb? Habang nagdo-draw sa Seb, he's crying. Yan, gawin mo nga. Oh, pindot lang. Oh, diba? Tap-tap. And then,
Pink.
paint. Tap-tap lang. Huwag mong idiin kasi mas mauubos. Tap-tap and then tap and then paint. Diba? Look. Why this one is color orange and the other is color yellow? Palanta na to, palanta. Wow, ganda naman ng sunflower mo. Saba? Sunflower? There's a zombie on your moon. Oh, ba natapos mo sabi yung yung ano ba yan? Yung lip ba yan, Sam?
That's the petal.
Ah, petals. Kala ko lip. It's petals. What's that? What color is that?
This here is green.
Color green. Para saan?
Over here,
Ano yan?
that's leaves.
Leaves. Wow. Tap tap. Tap tap.
I cannot do anything.
What's this?
I build a sunflower.
Ikaw nag-build na to?
Yes.
Wow! Ang ganda!
I built this one.
Wow! Oh, sorry, I broke it. Ang ganda naman ang na-build mo sa ba. Color green. Tap, tap. Saan ba kasi yung brush mo, sir?
I don't know.
Kaya yung finger na lang?
Tap, tap.
I think this is color brown.
This is color green.
Then this is color green. Diba?
This,
Diba? And then this is color brown. Because this is a soil. What do you think?
when when you plant, it has soil.
Soil?
When you plant, it will soil.
It will soil? It soil? Soil. Wow! Oo naman, ganda naman ng sunflower na siya pa. Wow! Wow! It need water. I think it's... Okay, ano naman dito? Dito naman. I think it's... What color is that?
Color one. Wow.
Wow. Oh, pati sa eyes. Oh, pati yung eyes niya. Di ba color black ang eyes? Yeah. Huwag masyadong basa. I think brown na lang siya. Brown.
Can you make?
Brown na lang. You can do it. Oh, you put so many water kasi. Just tap, tap, and then spread all over it.
Ah!
Oh, sir, lumalagpas sa petals. Sunflower. Wala na tuloy yung mata.
About
Just regular plant. Regular sunflower.
because it's just a step ice.
Wow. Konti na lang. Wow. Wow.
It's about
I think you put eyes. Color black. No! Okay, I think it's done. What do you think, guys? Is it beautiful?
yes, about the
I think you put your name here. X. O, paano yung X? X. E. Bilis. E. Bilis. E. Tapos B. Paano B? Nya. Yan ba yung B? Mali naman eh. Oh, this is the signature. Wow! Para... Look, sir. May color yellow ka sa pisngi eh. May I see your finger? May I see your finger? Sa iba, sabihin mo nga, sir. Guys, did you enjoy our video? what's the next ano? Next plant.
It's bok choy.
Bok choy. Okay. Bye-bye.
I think my video.
Oink.